So shearing, a lot to do with footwork and hand-eye coordination, but you take note as Ben shearing, his feet are constantly moving, he's positioning that sheep. Just finished on the belly wall, now he's going down to the hind leg, and he'll work from there around into the undermine. Every blow Ben puts in on the sheep, he puts it in for a specific reason. If you don't put that undermine in, for instance, it makes it really hard when you get to the last side to finish the sheep properly. He's just working his way up the neck. So Ben's just come on board with tape, and he's going to be running a lot of schools for us through from intermediate, start up to intermediate through to advanced shearing schools. He just laid the sheep over in the long blow position. We do a lot of schools over the last couple of years. We've done a lot of schools, shearing schools with the high school kids. Just to basically give them a taster of what shearing's about, if it's something they're interested to continue on with. There's been a few of them continuing on. They've been just worked around the shoulder. He's going to pick up that front leg now and work down the leg. And that'll bring him onto the last side. So he's just working his way down that last side. Does anyone want to have a go at throwing a fleece?